Hi guys, welcome back to our channel IPFighter. Setting up a proxy to use is a fairly basic process, but not everyone is familiar with how to add a proxy on different devices and web browsers. In this video, we will provide you with a comprehensive guide on how to set up a proxy properly. Let's dive right in. When you set up a proxy in the settings of your computer, it changes the IP address for the entire machine. This method is similar to using a VPN. Firstly, open the settings of your computer. Next, select Network and Internet and then choose Proxy. In the Manual Proxy Setup section, turn on the Use a Proxy Server toggle. Enter the host and port information as needed. If your proxy requires a username and password, a window will appear when you access the web, requiring you to enter this information. Lastly, click OK to save the changes. You can change the proxy settings for Google Chrome using an extension or by changing system-wide settings. The first option is to use an extension like Proxy Switch Sharp or Proxy Helper to add a proxy. The second one is to change the IP address of the whole device. Click the three-dot icon in the upper right corner, select Settings, go to the System section, and click Open your computer's proxy settings. This will open the network and internet settings in your computer's system settings. From here, follow the same steps as above. To change the IP address of Mozilla Firefox browser, follow these steps. First, click the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner, select Settings, scroll down to Network Settings, and click Settings. In the Connection Settings window, select Manual Proxy Configuration, and enter the host and port information for your proxy. If your proxy requires a username and password, a window will appear when you access the web, requiring you to enter this information. The last step is to save by clicking OK. To change your IP address with a proxy in Opera, follow the same steps as you would for Google Chrome by changing it for the entire machine. Firstly, click Settings, then select Advanced, scroll down to System, and click Open your computer's proxy settings. This will open the network and internet settings in your computer's system settings. From here, follow the same process as above. Adding a proxy is simple whether you're creating a new profile or changing an existing one. The interface and process may vary depending on which Antidetect browser you are using. I will demonstrate how to add proxy when creating IPFighter Antidetect browser's new profile. You can also change the proxy of a pre-created profile easily. IPFighter also offers a selection of free proxies and a recommendation feature for proxy providers if you are looking to purchase proxies. To change the IP address for mobile apps, you can use the following apps based on your mobile operating system. For Android phones, you can use SockDroid. For iOS phones, you can use ShadowRocket or Patazzo. That's the detailed guide on how to set up a proxy to change your IP address. If you find this video helpful, hit like and subscribe to get notified about my upcoming videos. If you have any further questions, you can contact us via Facebook or Twitter. Good luck and see you next time.